Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set vacation on Google Calendars. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Calendar apps, and after this, if you wanna set your vacation on a Google Calendar, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the plus icon at the bottom, click on it, and then in here you just click on the reminders, and then in here you can reminder me to, you can click, or you can write the May vacation, and after this in here you can choose for all day or no, maybe no, and then in here you can set the date. In here I want a vacation this day, so you just click on this day. Okay, and then now you can click on okay, this one, click on it, and then click on accept and finish. So that's how to set vacation on your Google Calendars. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.